Hi everyone, this is Advanced Techniques for Polynomials and Rational Equations, and this is the first set that are the difficulty is hard. So you have two professors that teach a math class. Their students took a final exam and the professors are preparing to grade them. Statson predicts that if she graded them all, she would take 50% more time than Professor Lambert. Would he have graded all the exams? They estimate that it will take 40 hours to grade the exams together. So we have to come up with the best equation to represent the situation. So the thing you need to remember on this one is that when building an equation that describes how much work two people can do together versus independently, the added nature of the rates in the equation is R equals W over time. So, for example, if we let X represent Professor Lambert's and work represents the job of grading the exams, then Professor Lambert's grading speed, his rate's going to be 1 over X. So, if Strasson's solo's grading time is 50% greater, so this is Lambert's, and Strasson's is going to be 1 and plus 50%, so that's 1.5. All right? And together, it takes them 40 hours. So together, so that's Lambert plus Strasson, or whatever, Strasson, would be 1 over 40. So to put this together, we're going to set them together, we get 1 over X plus 1.5 over X equals 1 over 40. Okay? Now, none of the answer choices have this decimal, so we're going to multiply our equation by 2 to eliminate the 1.5. So, since you have to match up to this multiple choice, and none of the answers work, so there's no decimals here. So what we're going to do is multiply everything through by 2. We want it to match. So this will be 2 over X plus 3 over X equals 2 over 40. And 2 over 40 actually is what? 1 over 20. So our answer is going to be B. Okay. Just remember this. The next problem is very similar. Using a riding lawnmower, Joe can cut his lawn in 45 minutes. If they use a push lawnmower, then Joe's wife can cut the lawn in 3 hours. If they work together, how long will it take them to cut the lawn? So basically we want to know that work equals rate times time, just like the other one. Alright? When two people are working together, start by finding their combined rates. And we also have to remember that we're got minutes here, and then we have 3 hours here. So we have to convert Joe's time to hours to match the units for his wife's time. So we're going to manipulate the work formula, and we know that rate, we'll just divide both sides by T, equals W over T. So Joe can mow the lawn in 45 minutes, or that's 3/4 of an hour. So basically it's 1 over 3/4. So this is Joe, which this actually equals 4/3. Okay? And then his wife can mow it in 3 hours. So that's his wife. So this is Joe. Let me put Joe here. His wife is going to be 1 over 3. Okay? And so she can mow 1/3 of the lawn in 1 hour. Working together, they can now mow the lawn, and that's going to be, together we have 4/3 plus 1/3 equals 5/3. Okay? So substituting this back in, we have that W equals rate times time. So our work is 1 hour equals 5/3, that's our rate, times T. Alright? And to solve for T, what I'm going to do is multiply both of these by 3/5. So 3/5 equals T. So working together, they can mow the lawn in 3/5 of an hour. So, which is equal to 3/5. We have to do 3/5 times 60 equals 36 minutes. We have to convert back to minutes because this is 3/5 of an hour and we have to get to minutes. So, it's 36 minutes and that's your answer. Okay? The next one, it says, which of the following polynomial equations can be used to represent the area of a trapezoid? So the area of a trapezoid is given by area equals 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height. So this would be your height. Alright? And all we're going to do is plug everything in. So it says, although the question asks about a polynomial question, focus on what we're looking for. The polynomial part will take care of itself. So if we label everything, they already give you the graphs. So what we're going to do is put everything in. We have area equals 1/2. Now my base is K. My second base is 2K. So K plus 2K. The whole length of this is 2K. There's your two bases. This is K, 2K. Alright. The height is right here, which is length of the Y part, which is K plus 1. Alright, and then all we have to do is clean this up. So basically I'm going to keep leaving the 1/2 out because we have a 2 under most of these anyway. So I'm not going to leave it out. And when I take care of this, we're going to get 3K times K plus 1, which is 1/2 of 3K squared plus 3K, which can be written as 3K squared plus 3K over 2. So the answer is B. It's kind of hard to see these. Sorry about that. This was a squared, and this one right here was a cube. So, okay. We're going to do the next set is going to be hard as well. Then we're going to move on to another section. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.